Good morning, guys. Uh, 1.5 months from now, I had made a difficult choice of choosing my CUET over my ND exam, and now I am regretting this choice because I had given the CUET for getting admissions in the college, and yep, I have got one, but now I am still regretting after getting a government college because now I think that my whole time is just wasting because I am just packed up with the assignments, the PPTs which the teacher asks us to make daily, and they have to be presented there in a pen drive, or you can use your mobile to at least send on the WhatsApp and they present there the PPT, and you are asked to tell everyone what have you read there. So these are the assignments which the teacher asks usually to boost up the confidence of the children in making them more frank with the other children in speaking publicly. So these are the methods which are used up in the colleges for just making our confidence, but this is not enough. I am still regretting why I chose the college over my ND exam, and I had met children in the coaching who said that they are just doing NDA and they'll be doing that only. So now I think that they were right because now it's the time I am attending the college and now I think that I am not getting enough time in studying for NDA because I am saying that because I get up early in the 6 a.m. and after getting up in 6 a.m. I get ready and take off for my college at 8 or 7:45 and reach there at 8:30 or 8:45, so almost you can say 30 minutes or 45 minutes way to my college, and sometimes it becomes also shorter than less than 20 minutes if there is less traffic. So that's not the reason I am regretting. The reason is that the college start at 9 and they make you leave at 4 or 4:30 and you reach home in a tired situation of just burned up of the whole day. The whole day tiredness is something about sitting there because there are only benches and you can only sit there, so the spine usually gets tired, and after getting home you are just tired and you want to have some rest, and after that the physical activity part comes, and after at least you can manage the physical activity after coming from the college. But there is a small regret that I am not getting enough time for my studies, and now I think that if I had not chosen the college this much early and at least waited till September, then I would have scored more than I am deserving, more than I am going to score in the upcoming exams, because the colleges are held on till Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and I am getting only one day for my complete study of ND, and that is the day when I complete also my assignments and the PPT parts, which I am usually not doing at this time, but and that will be surely have to be done to at least manage the 50 marks which the internals are. And there is also a part in my college of at least speaking skills and the communication skills, so that part also is from the American embassies, and the teacher says that if you will be not performing good, she said that she'll be making a video in the end when they'll be taking the exams of what you have learned in these months, and that video would be sent to the American embassies, and I think that the teacher would be marking the marks, but I am still regretting because I am not getting enough time for my studies, and yep, the college pressure is there, and the study pressure is also there because I have to do the daily tasks which the teacher asks. They don't ask so much questions, they only ask 5 to 6, but they are also now becoming tiring because my dream was to walk in the parade. I was ready to get the stick, I was ready to get the belt, and I was also ready to get in the cold water or wake up in the winters at 4 or 3:45. That is a time where usually policemen or and also army men are made to wake up 3:45 or 3:40. So I was ready to do that much to become a lieutenant, but now I am just saying that I am not getting enough time for my revisions. I am not saying that I have not studied anything, but I am saying that I am not getting enough time for my revisions, and I am just thinking that the same thing would be happening with me after spending a whole the 4 months in studying and practicing. The last month which is the highest peak of our studies is gonna be not that much easy, and the I am fearing that the same thing would happen with me which had happened with the re-NEET students. They had got only 1 month to prepare, and most of the students scored very low, and I am just getting these thoughts in my mind at this time, but still I am happy that I got a government college, and now I do not have to regret that much that I didn't 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 got good marks in COT and didn't go to college. And the only thing which I want to tell you guys who are not who have not got a college and they are preparing for, and he just spent the whole day in practicing maths, then practicing GAT, means the Ratta vacation. Just spend the whole day and you will be getting more score than rest of the children, because most of the children at this time are at their enjoyable limits. They are scrolling, they are roaming, they are attending college, they are doing bunks, they are attending whole of the fest in the Delhi. They are attending the various fest in the colleges which the other colleges have. And I wanted to tell you guys one thing, that if you have still time of getting a college in late September, then you should go for the ND exam, because after getting in the college you will be not getting enough time for your studies, and the phone calls are a must from colleges that your children is not attending, you have submitted your fees, this is not right happening, this is not the way the college is run, you have to attend daily, the 75% attendance is a must. And they are just making the children go, means you guys understood, just spend the whole day in studies, like we did in the boards class 10th, like we did in the boards class 12th. And that's it, the same way we have to score more in the ND exam at this time, and this is the only way you can score more marks in the last 30 days. So I am just telling you one thing, that if you have still time, please don't go to colleges, because if you will attend the college once, then there will be regular phone calls at your home. So yep, do good with your studies, keep preparing, keep working hard. I give you a best of luck to everyone, and bye bye.